What's going on YouTube? It's CHIEFTEXX Films, your tour guide on the road to elevating your image. And on this channel, I like to highlight my ups and downs so you can capitalize off of my wins and suffer none of my losses. If there's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. All right, man, today my cousin came up from Atlanta. I'm talking about my cousin. We sit and spend days together. We got, you know what I mean? I got pictures of us when we was babies. So this is my kinfolk, man. So he needed some headshots for his businesses and, you know, social media and stuff like that. So he took that 6-hour drive on up to Fayetteville, North Carolina to chop it up with cuz, and we out here making some magic, man. So we got some dope shots. This is my first. I ain't been shooting in a while. I'm shooting on the Panasonic G7. I got the Yongnuo Flash, the Yongnuo trigger, and we misfire. We getting a lot of misfires, man. We getting a lot of, and on top of that, the lens is manual, so I can't just hit the trigger and it go off. I gotta zoom in and manually focus and all of that, man. So it's not as easy as I'm used to, but we getting it done, man. We got some fire already, so I'm gonna throw a couple of them shots on the screen so y'all can see that. But yeah, we got a lot more to go, man. We got like 4 or 5 outfits, and we doing it all in this area because it's supposed to start raining. So we up under this bridge in case it start raining, we can still get to work, man. So like I said, he drove 6 hours, so we don't want to just waste it because of some rain. If we got to do it all up under here, you know what I mean, we're gonna do it. We got light poles, we got whatever these, not light poles, but stabilizing poles for the bridge. We got you know, we can get it done, man. So that's what we doing. After we finish this, I gotta go to ATS and get some more footage because we got a lot of stuff coming out for ATS too. So I got to make sure I stay on top of it because they firing people and I don't want to be on the chopping block. You feel me? So got to make sure I'm doing my job so I don't get fired. And my job entails just posting, you know what I mean? Shooting, posting, you know what I mean? But the biggest thing when you're dealing with a company like that, man, they want you to be self-sufficient. Like, just do it without asking, you know what I mean? Surprise us with some dope content. So that's what I'm on, man. So after we leave here, we gonna go to ATS and get some content, man. I honestly, you know, I've been talking to him for a while. Ain't nobody moving the needle on nothing. But honestly, today I might, because I got 3 cameras now, I might just go ahead and set up a podcast and get that started, you know what I mean? Like, I mean, no need to ask permission. I'm the content creator for the shop. So we're gonna be doing all kind of crazy stuff, man. And today might be the start of that, man. I just posted a whole bunch of stuff. So if y'all not subscribed to the American Tattoo Society YouTube channel, y'all go ahead and do that right now because there's a whole bunch of content dropping. I'm dropping a vlog for them 2-3 times a week and a vlog for me 2-3 times a week. So we out here working, man. We ain't out here bullshit. But anyway, I think cuz finished dressing. We about to hit this other outfit and I'm gonna take y'all with me, so y'all stay tuned.
Forgot that was a bad bitch. Looked in the.
So this the last outfit, man. Everything looking dope. I honestly wish I had somebody to take my pictures, make sure I look good like this, man, because these pictures turning out dope. They turning out fire. And I almost didn't bring the flash, man. I'm so glad that I had to dig through all of my stuff in the garage to find this flash, and I'm glad I found the flash and the trigger because light really makes a big difference on set, man, when you shooting. So I'm glad that I, took that 20, 30 minutes in the garage and found my stuff, man, because if not, these wouldn't have turned out as dope as they turning out. I ain't shot no pictures in a while, so just really, I'm really just practicing right now. I don't know when the next photo shoot gonna be, but hey, man, the thing about being a creative, you can always make money off of your gift. So I'm trying to, I don't know, trying to figure it out. The reason I stopped doing photography is because I was shooting a lot of females, and the females won't shoot to change everything. It took me to edit 5 photos. It's taking me longer than it take for me to edit a whole vlog for YouTube, man, because you got to do skin correction, you got to do teeth whitening, eye whitening, blemish removal, smooth the skin, you're liquefying the waist, you're liquefying, making bigger booties, bigger titties. Like, it's just too much stuff, man. So and then it just seemed like they still, even with all of that, after you alter them like that, they still never be satisfied with themselves, man. So there's a lot of more reasons why I quit, but the main reason was just taking too much time out my day to edit them photos. But morally, man, hey, listen, God made you how you is, man. Stop being embarrassed and wanting to alter the way that God made you, man. Just learn to get some self-confidence and learn to love yourself, man. God dang. Love yourself, baby. So, but anyway, man, we're about to get into this last outfit, and then I don't know what we're going to get into the rest of the day. Like I said, I need to go to ATS, do some time lapses, do some, try to do this podcast, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it to do it today. And sometimes when I walk into ATS, it be dead. So just depending on who there, what they doing. If everybody tattooing, they probably can't do podcasts. So I don't know. We'll figure it out, man. But we got one more look.
Contemplating all of my goals. Look, will I fold or will I chase them? I got adversity, 2 options. I can handle it purposefully, or I can let it murder me. But sign up for war, point out the target, show me the giants. Hold your applause, just getting started, sending the lions. Ambition ain't for the weak, I see it before I speak. Ready and willing, is you ready
but
for
I'll
me?
find a way, with or without your aid. Oh, you try to make me stay. No, there's nothing you.
All right, man. So we didn't end up getting a podcast done, but we got a whole bunch of dope content. It's an everyday grind, man. I'm a walking content machine for any and everybody around me who need it, man. You know what I mean? Like, I could be out with friends and I'm getting content because I know everybody need content. So we got a bunch of dope content for ATS, but man, I'm excited because one of my film partners was selling a whole bunch of his old stuff, man, and I came up on some dope finds, man. I got me a DJI Ronin, the Ronin S, one of the first ones, but it's still a Ronin, and I don't really use stabilizers, but I might rig this one up to use it. So I've been thinking about getting into the real estate game, so I want to rig it up the way I like it. I'm probably put a V-Lock battery on there and snub nose it, make it shorter with 2 handles. Pretty excited about building that out. I had one like that built back in the day, but we about to do it again. I got 2 panel lights, 2 GVM panel lights. My other COB lights are GVM also. These run off of the app. They do color. They do the full RGB spectrum of color. So I don't know if my other lights run off the app, but if they do, man, that'll be dope where I can control everything on the app. What else we get? We got these speakers. We got these M Audio speakers. What else we get, man? We got something else. Oh, we got this. I got me a tripod, a Manfrotto heavy duty tripod. What else do we get? I don't know, man. It was a lot of stuff, man. It was a lot of stuff, and it's stuff that I needed, and he was selling it for $20, $30, $40. You know what I mean? I got the Ronin stabilizer for $40. I got speakers for $30. I got these lights for $35. So, you know what I mean? Just a deal that I would never run across. And this is stuff that I would have in my Amazon cart and just never pull a trigger on. So I'm pretty excited about that, man. I'm pretty stoked about getting all this new equipment, man. And on top of that, I've been buying stuff like crazy off of Amazon and Temu and all kind of stuff. So it's going up, man. And I'm trying to really be satisfied with what I have. But part of me want to take a trip to Southeastern Camera Store in Raleigh tomorrow. Just to, man, you know, I got the Blackmagic. I shoot mostly on the Panasonic G7 now, mostly for convenience, because I can take pictures and video. And I'm not getting rid of the Panasonic G7 because I just got it fixed. And I can't get rid of it anyway because he soldered a SD card to the motherboard. So we stuck with the G7, which is cool. I mean, this is a nice all-around camera that I can have as a second camera. But my main camera, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera, is just, I mean, you know what it is, man. I get the camera, get rid of it, get rid of it. So the camera I got my eye on right now, I want a full frame camera. I want to get into the full frame system, but I don't want to spend a lot of money. So the camera I got my eye on right now is the Lumix S5. It's kind of an older camera, but I seen them on the used sites for like $700-800, man. So if I can go to the camera store and they got one for cheaper than that, then I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger on that and sell the Blackmagic, or you know, buy it straight out. But I kind of want to make that switch from Blackmagic. I love the look, but right now as a content creator, I need to be able to take photos, and I need to be able to have a smaller system so I can get in and out of places, man. Because ever since I switched to the G7 as my content camera for the shop, I've been thinking, man, like, yo, I get so much more content because it's a smaller camera. I can take pictures, I can take video, and we've been getting a lot of content. So, and that's what I'm on. I'm a content creator, so I'm not a big production house. Like I said, I love the way that the Blackmagic footage edits and all of that kind of stuff, but Lumix is kind of close to me. Lumix has always been kind of close to me in my opinion. So, but anyway, man, if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. I'm out, man. But y'all keep them cameras rolling, man.